Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix your Speed Queen washer keep beeping. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having issues with your Speed Queen washer here, there's a few things that you could do to solve this issue. So first is you want to check your balance here. Now sometimes having an unbalanced load can cause this issue. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to make sure that our balance or the load that you have currently on your washer is in this case quite even. So what you need to do is you need to open up your washer here and you want to rearrange the clothes aiming for even distribution. Now also avoid overloading the washer here, as this can lead to unbalanced load. So make sure that you don't fill up the whole washer here and maybe like halfway, so like this amount. So don't make sure that you're not past its limit. Now sometimes again, the clothes could pile up and cause this issue. Now all the thing you could do here as well is to basically check if you have like block drain pump. So a block drain pump can also trigger beeping sounds. So if the drain pump can't remove the water effectively, water can accumulate, which might lead to this issue. Now how do you fix this issue or this blockage? Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to turn off your washer here for safety purposes, and you want to remove the front access panel here. And from there on, you want to clean out the drain pump to ensure smooth drainage. But depending on your model, the drain itself might be in a different location, so you might want to refer to your manual first. Next is you want to check if you have like any control panel issues. Now, the beeping could be due to malfunctions in the control panel here. And in this case, the defective control panel can cause the washer to behave unpredictably, including constant beeping. And how do you fix this? So first, turn off your washer, and you want to go ahead and unplug it from the power source and basically wait for a few minutes. So we are actually doing a soft reset here, which is basically draining the power from the washer here, and sometimes this will actually solve the issue. But if none of those actually work, the last and very last thing we could do here is to call a technician. Now, consulting with a technician or a professional here is much better, because tinkering with the insides of your washer here without prior knowledge can cause further issues. So contacting a professional or a technician can, in this case, save you a lot. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.